Okay, today is November the 2nd, 2018. Right now we've got 85 degrees. The relative humidity is 22%, and we do have some chemtrails in the skies showing up. We should expect to see more chemtrail spraying, more aerosols being sprayed. Right here, we've got this moisture field which is running north out of the tropics, and it's running into this blockade, this electronic blockade of high pressure right here, separating the tropical moisture from the uh, eastbound jet stream, which is trying to flow into a low pressure system up here in the Gulf of Alaska over the Aleutian Islands. You can see a dome of high pressure that's been installed right here over the East Pacific and portions of Southern California. We had clear skies today. We do see a couple of trails in the skies, and that's going to be expected. If we look at the other map here, the western U.S. water vapor loop, we can see that this moisture field is actually moving to the south. And so by this afternoon, we're going to see all this moisture moving down further south. So we're going to see a lot more spraying in Southern California again this afternoon. It would start out as a beautiful day, no chemtrails. Yesterday, we were just absolutely blanketed and choked with these chemical aerosols, which were sprayed to stop the precipitation process. So the last 2 days prior to today, we should have had rain. So this season so far, we've been gypped out of about 5 inches of rain. And this is why California has a drought, and this is why President Trump needs to understand that there is a drought in California. There is a drought. We're proving that every day, putting these satellite maps up on the internet. There's no reason that this moisture should not generate precipitation unless the skies are sprayed, or if these satellite transmitters create high pressure like we're seeing here, right down here. And by the way, these extended periods of high pressure we see in the East Pacific warm the upper 1 foot, 1 to 2 feet of water in the oceans, and that creates a change in the evaporation rate and does a number of things. So there's a lot of things going on. We can see here, look at this nearly right angle of moisture right here. We've got a blockade. This is an electronic blockade, high pressure installed to separate the tropical northbound moisture from getting into the jet stream here, which is some of that is partially moving into this low pressure system. We see another right angle up here, sort of an oblique angle. So this system here is being manipulated, and all that frontal system moisture is being pulled away by this right angle. This is a satellite transmitter generating that big corner right there. Okay, just a quick update today. Very dry conditions, 22% humidity. We should be having rain yesterday and today, or pardon me, the previous 2 days and today as well. We can see that this moisture is going to drop down. Looking at the IR map, once again, we see pockets of moisture right here. And so we'll expect to see more chemtrail spraying later this afternoon. Okay, that's it.